mic was muted. That's always fun. Um, Perfect. Audio's good. Hopefully it's good enough. This is that's weird. Top bar is getting like cut off. It weird. It's really weird. I didn't notice that till now. Oh, okay. Well, I mean that fixed that problem, but not the other one. It's always fun. Oh, I can just do that. That's good enough. All right. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Good enough. Okay, I'm gonna turn my music down a bit. It's a bit loud. For me, at least. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's get my headset set up. I should also test media share real quick. All right, this is it right here. Yeah. All right. Oh, let's go. Media request, show on stream. Media is not available in my country. That's always fun. Okay, this one will suffice. Is that a word? Yeah, that's a word. Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. Sick. All right, headset. We're fully charged. That's the most important thing I'll have to say. We're fully charged, complete, and totally. Fully complete and total. Now, I'm really hoping it doesn't lag, because I'm streaming to both Twitch and YouTube right now, so yeah. Well, fingers crossed, not lag. Let's connect to the PC real quick. Headset. Launch. Fingers crossed we don't lag, because that's one very common occurrence. All right. Okay, not lagging. Good. I have to restart Studio. I hate that. Come on. Roblox Studio. Restarting. Doesn't seem to be lagging. Okay. That's good. Now, let's quickly click play. What is that? Get mic permissions. Unhandled promise rejection. Interesting. I'm gonna assume that's about voice chat. Yeah, I'm fine with that being goofy. Um, we are smooth rotation enabled. That does not matter. Good. sick. I need both client and server visible, I think. I don't know how exactly I'm supposed to go about doing that at the same time. Can't. Weird. Okay. Oh, I see what it's supposed to be doing. It didn't drop my player model in, so that's fine. All right, that's the GUI. Um, player, no. View, watch, no. Okay. I see. This is weird. Can I just... No, not that. Ah. I wish there was like, because in Unity you'd have this. I want to be able to see what's going on at the same time, like not have to switch between client and server constantly. Because it's really annoying to have to do that. And then you can't see the stuff going on. Anyways, I'm going to keep working on this because I need to get that 3D or third-person camera going for sure. So I need to do where it sends the user C frame changes the camera. I need to check if the player is in third person. Okay, so VR char settings, local first person equals VR char settings get attribute first person. Okay, so it's probably not actually very efficient to do this here. So let's quickly just do local height is equal to get attribute, and then local. Oh, shoot. I have to do it there. Okay, crap. Yeah, I have to do it there. That sucks. Okay, I'll have to figure a way around that because that's annoying. Like this is what I would want to do, but for the character settings instead, because calculating them every time, getting them every single time, that's a lot. That's like every single time a slight motion is detected, so constantly, essentially, that would cause that, which is an issue. But I also want to disable setting the camera C frame if first person is false. So if not first, or yeah, if first person, then and so this will set the camera C frame position. Nope, I have to do this based upon the head position, not the camera. Oh, wait a second. No, this is for the torso visibility. So that's fine. That'll just make the torso visible when you're far away. So then we need to set the camera C frame to a new like attachment position, which would be attached to the head of the VR character. So let's quickly get the head. Go eyes, third person. Oops. third person, and then we're gonna move this way out. And then we're also gonna rotate it there. So now eyes are facing the other direction. Yeah, that's right. So in the position, we want to get head dot third person, head dot third person dot world C frame, and then that should set it properly if you're in third person, which I can do pretty easily because I've already set that changing up. Oh wait, what? Third person is not a valid member of place head. Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to put it in the model. Third person, copy and paste into there. So it's offset by that now, and I can switch in. Oh, okay. Whoa, what was that? Oh my. Oh my. Oh wow. That's not great. Wait, is it trying to set them both? Wait, what? Oh, it's if I move any. Oh, it's if I move any of the stick. That's why. Okay, camera, or controls. We need to do print, not print identity, print action name, input state, input object. And then when we do this, we should be able to see like that's change and input object. What? What is input object? Oh, let me check the docs. Developer.roblox.com. We need to also make it only do it on the input state change. So if input state is equal to enum. Actually, no, we want it on end. User input state end. Begin, end, begin. We want it on begin. Then, oh, why do I have brackets? I'm not, other languages be like, if, wait, what? Where's this from? Oh, what? Okay. It's a dumb issue. Then we want to change the camera. We also want to make sure the input object is like thumbstick down. Key code input. What is this? Input object. Okay, what's it got for delta key code position user input type? So I think we want key code. Let's check what key codes we get from this. Thumbstick 2, thumbstick 2. And it doesn't have a begin. So we're gonna have to do it on end. That sucks. But I mean that's okay. I want it on the thumbstick down though. Thumbstick 2. Maybe position? I don't know. Mouse movement. Let me just print off input object dot um uh user input type as well, so we can see what we're dealing with a little bit better. 000 move none gamepad 1 000. What if I click it? Clicking it doesn't do anything. I mean, can I get? I can't get if it's clicked, but I can get if it's. That's weird. Well, this kind of works. Like you can see it, it's just locked to both. I don't want it to rotate around the. Wait, I need to be able. Wait, okay, I need to think here. I need to not update it every time or something. Like set it when it's done and not anything else. I mean, like this is probably gonna be trippy to watch in headset. Like really trippy. Oh my god, that is weird. Ooh, oh my goodness. I need to lock that position for real, because this is weird. Okay. That is so strange. But like, wait, wait, why are my controllers not updating? Where are my controllers? I can't even see my controllers. If I change back, I can't. Okay, I need to lock that position, and maybe the controller should be in relation to the head, not the camera. That would make more sense to do, because then they'll be staying there. Yeah, that's probably the best idea to do. So that's in position, head C-frame, camera C-frame position. No, this needs to be head. Local head. I need the head position. Okay. Because that's every time we need it. It's not based off of the camera now. But it is based off of the camera's like head scale. That makes sense to do. Okay, let's check. See how this looks in third person. Let's see if it still works. Yep, that still works. Up. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Also, the body is changed from what I would expect it to be. That's weird. Why did it change? I know for a fact I had changed that. Or did I? Well, let's quickly change it. This should be like 1.2. Well, let's experiment on this first. This 1.2 looks like that. Yeah. 1.4? Yeah, I think 0.6. Yes, now the head's too big. It's 1. 0.5? Wait, what the? Where did the head go? Point 1, no. 0.6. 0.6. That's actually just P-brain. Too small. 0.8. 0.8. That looks better. Yeah. Okay, 0.8. So let's quickly grab torso size. Put the torso size to the torso. Make that the same, and then the head size to be the same. So it doesn't look as awkward. Okay, let's see how this does. So first thing first, I can see the torso. Not at all. It's too small here, but I can go here. And yeah, that looks good. I mean, I still need to be able to offset the controllers. That's going to be in the settings. I need to lock that third person camera though. Okay. So all right. Yeah. All right. Let's think here then. I need to get the thumbstick being pushed down. Input key code dot thumbstick 2 key code. I need a list of key codes. Gamepad thumbstick. Um, uh, Roblox get thumbstick press. Let's see. L3 gamepad R3. Okay, all right, that's what we're gonna bind to then. R3. R3 or L3? L3. No, R3. Yeah. We want it on the right hand. So we want it bound to key code button R3. All right, let's test it. Should be on push and then cancel, begin, end, begin, end, begin, end. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna put this on begin. Begin. All right, we don't need to print this out anymore. Um, yeah, that's fine. As long as it's begin and not end. So this is a toggle. Bam. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, laser pointer, never mind. So I need to stop it from rotating along this axis. I only want it to rotate along like this. So I need to lock some sort of rotations. That would be, I need it to be able to rotate along. Nope, wrong. I need it to be able to be positioned. That's a bit complicated actually. I need to have a block that I can move around. I don't have an interaction system, so I should just lock it to a spot. I think that would make the most sense to do. Just lock it. Yeah. Yeah. Just have it locked, not move. So we don't want it to set its position to the head, which is an attachment. Oh my god, which is relational to the head. So we need to go ahead and remove that third person attachment. We're gonna have to get a new part. The player spawns right beside this. So VR character needs a new object. Part. Third person cam. And then this will be slightly transparent. So we can kind of see where it's at in, while in first person for now. It's also going to be smooth plastic and just make it like white. That's fine. This needs to be anchored and can collide off. Can touch off. Collision group of camera. And then we need to know the front face. So let's put a decal. And so we need to add a texture to this so we can see it. And then we need to rotate this. Beep, 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 beep. And then that we need to move in front of the player. Let's just put it to the head position and then move it from there. Cool. I need to get like a different image. Can I get like a lens image? Um, I need an image of a lens. Let's just go to images. What? Oh. Oh, it's not transparent. That's annoying. I need to be transparent. I'll change this out later, but hey, that's good enough. We'll change this to a cylinder, I guess. Oh. Oh crap. Never mind. Okay. I'll have to change that later. That looks so stupid. But for now, that's fine. This needs to be positioned like this. In accordance to the root part. So, because the root part doesn't move, it doesn't matter right now. But when we do, we're going to want to have an attachment, and then we're going to also want to be able to move the attachment camera, our third person camera. We're going to want the position to be the same as that, so that when we want the third person camera, we can just move it to that attachment. Or if we like go into a mode that you can change that, I don't know, settings or something that lets you change your third person camera position, but for now that should work. And in position, first person, can I camera controls, change camera, script camera, change camera, character. So we can get the character easy enough. That's fine. We should just set it here. So if not first person, then That's only if it's false. I believe. We're gonna do local. Oh. VR character. Once we verify it's real, we need to go at local. Third person cam equals character dot find first child third person cam. We also need the third person camera part here, which is according to the root part. Copy that position, and then there. That's in the right position now. Position. And then in camera, then we need to set workspace dot current camera dot c frame equal to third person cam dot world c frame. And let's test it. Hopefully this works. Oh, wait. Error. It's frozen. Wait, what if I switch it back? Oh, wait, what? It's still... What? World C frame is not invalid. Oh, I'm dumb. Right, because I was putting it to an attachment. Well, in that case, I don't need that part. What I'm gonna do is just set it to the same C frame. That should work. Third person is not a valid member of part head. Oh, yeah. Forgot to remove that part of the code. All right, so that, and it didn't work. But my hands are moving? What if I switch back? Works. And it works. It's not setting the current camera to the right spot. Okay, that means I have to do it in the code then. Position else camera dot c frame equals, I already get the root part. Let's just do root part dot third person cam dot c frame, because it's an attachment. We do world c frame. We don't. Yo, that cool nerd, how's it going? Third person cam is not a valid member of root parts. Do I not have that in the... Oh, that's why. I'm just changing this to cam. There we go. Play. Oh, hopefully I didn't take too long to respond to you there. Definitely buried in my code. Oh, there we go. And it's backwards. Wait. Yep, backwards. I need to change the orientation as well. Third person cam. Orientation. And then this, the orientation. Bam, complete 180. And then this should aim at the... Yes. Perfect. Now, I need to disable that stupid top bar. That's really annoying. But for now, this should be good. Wait, it's moving. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Why is the camera rotating? This is annoying. The camera is rotating to the head. That should not be happening. What? How is that even happening? That C frame doesn't get changed. It shouldn't move the. It's really annoying. That is really annoying. That's weird. Yeah. The third person camera doesn't change. It is the same. How can I change that? How can I make it not do that? Headlocked is true already, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. Send user C frame. That can't do it. That's replication stuff. Yeah, I can't do that. Position replicator is the torso stuff based on okay. Interesting. I guess I just changed the angles in that case. Yeah, all right. Position but no angle. Fingers crossed. Oh, let's go. That works. Exactly what I wanted. Now this is going to be pretty trippy because it doesn't actually move. Wait. Oh yeah, that is trippy. That is really trippy. Oh my god, that's weird. It's so weird to look at. Oh my god, that's so strange. Oh, we. I think the body is too big still. Yeah, body is for sure too big. Also, what was that that felt jittery? These feel big. It's weird. I feel really close. Like, too close. And if I put my hands down, that's right, but why do they feel so large? What's the size of these? Did the size of these change? I don't think they did. Um, right hand. 441. 441. Let's click play and just check in server. 441. It must be the head scale. Two times. Let's see how that changes it. Well, now it's way too big, but I mean, hey, the hands look smaller. I wouldn't do this though. I feel like a giant. Like I mean, I don't know how tall these guys are. I could probably make a ruler. A ruler, 1 meters, 0.28 studs. So, and what is that in my camera? It's weird. You can see that line. Oh, stupid cursor spinny thing. Stop that. Okay. Head scale fixed it, kind of. I think maybe like keeping it at one makes sense and changing the size around the player. Um, like maybe just changing the hand sizes here to point. That's so small though. That's really small. Let's see how it looks though. That's definitely wrong. It's definitely wrong. I think something with the positioning is wrong. Let's change it back to the camera frame and see if that fixes it. Yeah, it does. Okay, so it's just it being in the wrong spot. What if I fix the sizes back to what they were before? 0.4, 0.4, and 1. Yeah, I mean, I can reach to what I should be able to reach to. I think I need to just set it to be not the head, but the eyes, not the camera, the eyes on the head. So that probably doesn't make a whole lot of sense if you don't know the exact code that I'm using. But on the player's head, I have eyes, which is right parts head. The camera is set to head.eyes.world.cframe. World cframe.position. Let's test this. That's probably going to look the same as camera. It should at least. Yep, that's right. Yep, that's right. Cool. Now, that looks right. I think these should be different size on this axis, right? Like 2. Oh yeah, that feels better. Yeah, I like that better. Um, they feel a bit chunky still, but that's fine. If I had some beveled edges to them, that should change it. Cool. Now I need to change this equation to account for the body size. Because it most definitely doesn't account for the body size. Position. Let me just print off. Okay. Yeah, I need that to be way, way, way less sensitive. Still too sensitive. I need to tone it down more. Times 0.9. It should be less sensitive now. 0.00001. Less sensitive still. Needs to be less sensitive. 0.7, let's try that. Pretty extreme, but you know. then still see it. You can still see it here as well. You know, it's doing all right. It's just clipping very highly clipping. Can I change the clipping distance? X field of view, no. Um, uh, I guess I can just set that to be a bit higher still. I'm just gonna put it back to 1. If the player doesn't see it, it's fine. The camera will still see it a bit, and it'll look normal. So for any footage, you can see the torso a tiny bit. But it goes transparent, so it's perfectly fine. Now, I think the sickening part about this was the head moving to the weird spot, like not moving at all still feels, whoa, that's jittery as heck. Why? Is it like that if I go back in? Tiny bit. That looks like it's moving. That's weird. Like you probably can't really see it, but in headset this looks really weird. And it's very jittery. Let me just stop spamming the logs. That's probably not it, but still, that's just a lot of log spam that I don't need at this point. Let's test again. It's gonna be still feeling weird. That's so strange. It's almost like hyper real. Weird. Oh yeah, it's actually not jittery anymore. It's so strange. If I stand up, oh my gosh. That's so crazy. It feels really strange. Yeah, it feels like almost it feels natural, but I don't know if that's actually the case or not. Like it's very strange. I think most people don't do it like this. It feels very different. Yeah, that's insane what that feels. That feels so strange. It's hard to explain, but when you have um the way that your eyes like see, you don't see from the center of your head. Like you don't see from the center of inside your head. You see from your eyeballs. the way I've set up the camera system is based on the player's head. But there's an attachment in the head called eyes. This is where the camera actually comes from. It could also be the positioning of this now that the head size has changed. That makes it feel a bit more weird, but that probably doesn't really matter all that much. I could change it. I'm not going to do that right now, or am I? No, it's a pretty easy fix. I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty easy fix. I'm just gonna do that right now while I can. So the head is 0.8. The position is gotta be the head position, and then moved forward by 0.8, or a half of 0.8, my bad. 17. Okay, that's the value. Oops. Eyes. Where? Wait, what? Oh, there. So this, and then minus 0.4. That's the correct positioning. Wait. Is it? No, it's not. Eyes. That's not right. I need to take the head position. Put the eyes at that position. From here, subtract 0.4. Really? Is that not right? That's gotta be right. Why is it off? It's off by like a very slight amount. That's what I would have expected it to look more like, where half is inside. I'm gonna leave it like that and then move it up real quick. There. Good. Position. Eyes. Put that in. Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's the world C-frame. I need the relational C-frame. There we go. All right, let's test that. That's probably going to feel probably pretty much the same. Oh, wait, actually still feels similar. It feels faster, though. It's like surreal, almost, the way that it feels. I don't know why. Oh, Toxo, how's it going? Oh. All right, I'm tripping myself out with this one. Let's go. I wish Roblox had a way to set the export camera as like a separate display and have it like wide instead of being like a box the way it is. But yeah. So oh, it's so weird. Your eyes are not, they don't get used to that. So that system's not going to be in the final project at all. No way. People would throw up, man. That is, I'll have to figure out a better system for the third person camera. I need to work on other stuff though. The third person camera works fine. I need to work on things such as, I also have Roblox VR. Heck yeah. What's your favorite like VR game on Roblox so far? I know there's not a whole lot, to be fair. It's very early still, so, and developing for it is it's a bit annoying, to be honest. just a tidbit, just a tad. It's all right. It's not that bad. It's just inconvenient, I guess, because of the systems that they've pre-built. VR Hands is your favorite? That's a pretty good one. I haven't played too much VR Hands. It feels more like a sandbox, and that's not really my style of game that I enjoy the most, but it's good, nevertheless. All right, um, I need to calculate a similar thing for transparency um, on the hands to the camera, so that when your hands get closer to the camera, it makes them more transparent. That's very important, I think. That's pretty easy as well. Although I'd need to recalculate a new max distance for it, and I'd probably have to do that. So I'm not going to do that now. I think what's more important is making sure if maybe I move the root part that the player moves as well. Because right now it does nothing, I don't think, to base off of the... Oh no, it does base off of the root part. Root part cframe.x, height root part cframe.z. Okay. I can do that pretty easily then. If I move the root part, it should move the camera with it. Let's test it. So this is where I am now. If I go ahead and select my root part, and I move my root part, oops. I move my root part to, say, +1 on this axis. Yep, that works. If I move it to 10. Yep, that works. So if I move the root part, I move everything else with the player. Yes, I'm making a VR game. I found the amount limiting of Roblox VR games. I think Roblox has a massive amount of potential in VR. Like, I just think it's not quite, like, there's not enough experiences, I think, personally, or at least experiences that I would play. I don't know how other people feel. So yeah, I'm working on a game. It's very early, as you can see, still on the base plate. I want to add a lot of features, a lot of quality of life. Snap turning is the default in things like a poser. I want smooth turning because I use smooth turning with speed. Controller offsets is another thing. Probably things that people don't realize are important until they are, until they are, right? Like for people on non-Quest, I'm not sure what headset you use, but Index players usually have a pretty bad a time with the Roblox VR. It's just not supported very well. I turn my AC off there. Oh. But yeah, I mean, how long have I been? Eesh, I've been going for an hour. Maybe I play Beat Saber or something. Or try VR Hands. I don't know. I haven't played VR Hands. I suppose I can try it. That might be a good idea. I don't know. I don't know what it's more like I'd probably play it more to mess with the non-VR people. That's usually what I do in things like a poser anyway. So let me just think though. Uh Let me think. I don't know exactly what I need. Oh, right. I need to do a movement system. I also need to do a jumping system. That's a bit complicated. I don't think I really need that locomotion ball at all. Although that is like collisions. The player doesn't base anything off of that like they do with the root part, which can't collide. I mean, I guess that's important for it. That's probably important. I'm gonna just leave that for now, because the root part doesn't collide. If the player was to run into a wall, that would stop them. What the heck? Who am I talking to? Anyone? You misspelled my name too. Thank you. And welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. And also, I'm talking to myself. Anybody listening? I'm also live on Twitch, so I don't know if there's anybody watching on Twitch. I don't really pay attention to that, to be fair. Let's see. Okay, this is the old one. I've pretty much improved that significantly. Let me disable the top bar real quick. Do I not have a started GUI in here? I don't. Okay. Disabled. Set core top bar enabled false. Okay. Game. I should just put the service. Local. Equals game. Get service. Not get children, get service. Starter GUI. Oops. Starter GUI. Set core top bar enabled false. Let's see if that worked. There shouldn't be the bar at the bottom. Nope. Oh, wait. It is still there. So what does that even do? I suppose nothing? Well, I'll have to fix that. Let me see. Movement is probably the most important, but that's probably something I'm gonna have to do another time. I don't want to do that when I'm live. I guess I should do maybe some user interface stuff. All right. We have the hand interface. I could put debug stuff on this as well. That's probably going to be a helpful thing to do. So let's just duplicate this. And then instead of doing the list layout from the left, we're going to do it from the right. Instead of the man face on the character, can you please make it a troll face? Yeah, I could do that. Let me find a sufficiently good troll face image. That's a good one right here, right here. This one would do. Copy asset ID. It gets cut off, but that's not really something I can fix, though. Is there maybe one that's like more like smaller or something? I agree with you. It is epic. I'm just sad it gets cut off by the mesh. That's too bad. What the? What the hell? That is terrifying. Oh my god. Oh. What the All right. There's some interesting images in here. My goodness. It's too bad that he gets cut off. That's really sad. I like that, actually. I think that's better. What do you say? Do you like this one or the other one? I feel the cutoff adds to the low quality humor of it. I mean, yeah, that's true. I think this one works really well because you can see to the back of it. Like, it's actually just, this is the troll face. This character is the troll face. I don't know. What do you think? Okay. All right, let's set this one to face instead. Oops, this one to face. Yeah. We can delete that and then set it to... Yeah, I like that. Let's set that to the actual face, though. Still have to do that face and then delete the old one. All right, click play. And it should be the troll face now. Yep, it's the troll face. Not eligible. What is it? Not eligible for spatial voice? What do you mean? That's weird. I like this though. This looks great. That's awesome. I like that a lot. Let me just actually let me test something. Can I? I can't change the field of view at all on the camera. I think 70 was that. VR core panel, dialogue, user GUI. Can I just disable that then? Like, cursor, laser pointer, origin, bottom bar part. Okay. Oh, yep, that's it. That's it. It is that. Oh, huh. Well, I figured I could probably do that. Disable the bottom bar. Is that in the player's GUI? Nope. How does that even... How does that work? I don't know. Like user GUI, I would assume is the thing that comes up when you press the button on the bottom bar. Like this is the user GUI? Wait, no. What? What is that then? What is that? We figured this out. Free cam? Nope, it's not that. If I delete user GUI, that did nothing. Bottom bar part? That removes the GUI. What if I close this now? Oh, the bottom bar is actually just gone. Okay, interesting. Well, I'm not going to worry about that now. I think that's a good improvement. I do need to think here, though. I don't know exactly what I'm going to have to add here. Like, movement, sure. I could probably do movement. That's a pretty important one. I might also just play some VR game. I might do that. You know what? I'm gonna play instead of develop for now. Now, the question is, do I play a game on Roblox or do I play Beat Saber? That's the question. I'm not sure what I should do. Update to agreements. That's probably why I wasn't working with voice. All right, Poser or Beat Saber? Poser or Beat Saber? Or Clashers. You know what? Let's keep it with the Roblox theme right now. Let's move to do Roblox VR. Let me update the titles and stuff. Edit video. Okay, click save on that. Game title, Roblox. Oops. There we go. That should update. Yep, it did. All right, let me get a fan on. Let me close that. Well, let me just click play so that I can get the stream set. So it doesn't look terrible. Because, you know, it looks like this otherwise. Properties, client area, okay. I don't want to stretch it. Um, uh, I guess a crop. I hate this. I hate having to do this. This is really annoying. Like, can I just, yeah. That's not. Let me scale past. Let me scale past the screen. I don't want it to be square. I really wish Roblox would just, like, let you not output. That's so loud. Why is this game so loud? Like, that is so loud. You know, screw it. We're playing Beat Saber instead. Yo, D3W68, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Sorry, just doing. I don't know if I play Beat Saber or Roblox, bro. Come on. Come on. If you're still here, D3, I'll take suggestions. If you want me to play Roblox or if you want me to just play Beat Saber, I can play Beat Saber as well. I just can't get Roblox to play 4 a.m. Oh no. I can't play that on stream. I can't play that on stream. If there was a Beat Saber map of that, ooh, that would be awesome. Not gonna lie, that would be awesome. Hmm. Wait. Is this just... Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. All right. I know who you are. I got it. Um, Beat Saber or Roblox? Beat Saber, I don't have to finnick do around stupid stuff. Roblox, I do. Beat Saber might be laggy. If Beat Saber is laggy, I will switch to Roblox. And I'm also going to turn off media share because I don't want that active right now. Beat Saber, BSR. And we're going to also do multi or ask for multi, and then we're gonna do playing with viewers. Yeah, I disabled my Twitch account, so now this is just easier than re-logging in. That makes a lot of sense, yeah. Also, YouTube stream is gonna go bye-bye, and yeah, I'm not gonna stream on YouTube.